Hi guys, it's Paul here in Blackstone Motors. You're very welcome. We have a deal of the week on this week only, and this is it. It's a Renault ZOE. It's an electric car. It's automatic. It's a 172. It's 16,950. And if you come in and buy this car on the day, we'll even give you a €500 Woodies voucher as well. Only on this car, only on this week. You won't find any at this price on the internet anywhere. I challenge you to even go and look. You won't find one. But we have it here at Blackstone Motors in Drogheda. I'm going to show you around the car. It's €120 to taxes for the whole year. It's in glacier white. We have our front LEDs just here as well. Automatic lights and wipers. Let's have a look around here. Folding mirrors here as well. Inside really nice and spacious. Two-tone here on the door. You can zoom and have a look. Automatic. There is an eco mode on this car as well for small mileage around the town. Cruise control, air conditioning. Space in the back is very good. It is a 5-door. Just in there, have a little look. Again, the two-tone, nice seats to support you here with the airbags here as well. Around the back, very nice car. Boot space is very good. Has your warranty as well, don't forget. There's the space in the back. That's your charge point there. We'll show you how that all works when you come into us. But good boot space in it. And then if you just follow me around here, we also have glass coat on this car as well. It's always been added for extra protection on the paint. And inside, nice drive position as well. The mileage on this car is only 648k, that's it. Satellite navigation system in here as well. So here it is, it's available at the moment, guys. Don't forget the €500 Woodies voucher available this week only on the deal of the week, 16,950. Please give us a call.